Welcome to 35 Tweed Valley Way in South Murwillumbah. Let's come and take a look. The key feature of this absolute waterfront property is that the land itself is 1,094 square metres over a quarter acre with rolling lawns that go straight through to the Tweed River. Whether you're an avid water skier, a recreational fisherman like Bruce and Kathy, or you just like the great outdoors where you can enjoy the Tweed River, this property is an absolute plus for the lifestyle that you deserve.